What's up, YouTube? Hey, man. It's your boy here, man. Boy, you... too much I'm showing. Well, it really don't matter. Let's get into it. Yo, today, we're going to be doing a I clean all my shoe video today. So make sure y'all drop a like with me. Today, we're going to be first time working on the Balenciagas here. I got the Balenciagas here. Clean these and show you guys what they look like right afterwards. So make sure y'all give this video a like. Make sure y'all get this video comment below. I need y'all to comment too as well. Say if y'all give me your opinion, what you think about it. What should I do next? What the next video should be, or what should I clean next? You know, or what do y'all would like to see next on YouTube? You know, I'm gonna clean these, and I got some more shoes up there at top. I got some Jordan 3 retro 3s I clean. And also I have some Vans and then some Air Forces as well. So let's get into this video. We'll see you guys. And I also have some New Balances I need to clean as well. So let's get into this video. Check out these ones here. This video here did good. I appreciate y'all for that video on YouTube. If you didn't check it out, my page, check it out. I love these. These are awesome here. I love these shoes. They're really nice. But as you can see, real nice shoes. So y'all check them out. Make sure y'all take a look at them. You know. Real nice, comfortable. We'll get to you guys in a minute. Alright. So we got the Jordan Retro 3s you're gonna be cleaning today. Make sure y'all check out these. I also have the Palomino version as well. You know, if y'all go to my YouTube channel, y'all check those ways out. I love y'all. Make sure y'all check the sneakers out for real, you know. Jordan 3s. Real comfortable, nice, you know. Nice sneaker, you know what I'm saying? Real nice sneaker. Has that little orange jump man in there, but let's go get cleaning the Balenciagas first. So I have this special brush here. I got it online. Continue, and then I got some water down here, as you guys can see on the floor. Hold up, show you guys in a minute. I got some water on the floor down here, and I got that. So let's get into this cleaning process right now. All right, let's get into it. So me cleaning these shoes here, and the video that I dropped a couple of days ago that you guys see, it's another banger video. I appreciate everybody for showing a lot of love and support to that video, and just supporting my channel in general, like, helping me grow my channel out, and just supporting us in general. You know what I'm saying? It does mean a lot to me, you know, to see everyone support this channel, and to help us grow to a road to 6,000. I think that's awesome, you know. We're on the road to 6K early before September arrives. You know, we just got to keep growing our content. I'll be out of Bass Sport soon, and the reason why I got in Bass Sport because I wanted to do some blogging in my main account, and at the moment I couldn't do that at the moment because I'm doing these with a music video soon, so don't worry about these. Y'all know I was supposed to get the Balenciaga video soon. I'm gonna get it really soon, trust me. Doing a music video inside the Balenciaga store, for real. But right now I'm just cleaning all my sneakers right now because I need to take care of them for real. If I don't take care of my stuff, guess what? Possibility of that stuff won't look good no more. You know? But y'all can check out the first shoe. Looks clean. Back to brand new again, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I got this reptile here, you know, or curd towel. Let's say that, not rep, it's to dry it off. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all take a look at the shoe. But I did some bargaining with my second account that I was, you know, trying to get some money to, that I'm going to be giving away to on YouTube. I'm on the road at 6K, and I got suspended on my other account because I made a video And PlayStation said I was exporting the game, showing glitches off, and they took my account for a month. I don't know why. It's weird. At least they didn't just reset it or take it from me, because they could take the whole account. They said they will take the whole account next time, maybe, you know. But look at these. Let's pop some light on there. Want some light? I got y'all. I don't know about that. The light right here. Voila. Yeah. So this one here done. We'll see you guys in a minute. The next one. I'm going to be dropping some new music videos soon on the channel. Some new stuff on the YouTube channel soon. And you guys will be seeing new stuff that I upload. Make sure y'all add my Discord chat. Make sure y'all check out my Discord for real, because the Discord is going up. You know, it really is. We got a lot of new members. Shout out to all the people that's joined it so far. What the hell, bro? What the hell is this on the bottom of my shoes, bro? That was the food part. Take care of the shoes, you know what I'm saying? These shoes expensive, you know? For real. You know, take care of them. And refurbish all the dust out of it. How these boys looking? I'm gonna show you in a minute. 1 second. Okay. Check out these boys here, y'all. Boy's fresh. You can't even tell if I wore these or not, did you? No, you can't. No, the laces, I hit the laces a couple times, I ain't gonna lie. Now look at these Balenciagas. Look at both of them. Boom. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video. I love y'all, man. We out. Peace.